Chalo, I am happy now that all of the heavy questions about Web3 are done now. Uh, we'll discuss some basic and lightweight questions about Web3 now. So the next question is, where can I learn more about Web3? I'll share some resources that you can use to build your understanding of this industry. The first and the best resource is crypto Twitter. So all of the majority of the Web3 activity or Web3 communications, Web3 people hang out and discuss a lot of things on crypto Twitter. Crypto Twitter is nothing else like just a Web3 community hanging out on Twitter, now known as X. So just go on to Twitter and start finding good people. If you can uh, uh, you can follow founders of good projects, you can follow people you might already know in the Web3 world. You can follow me. If you have trouble finding people to follow, you can go into the my following list on my profile. My handle is here. You can go there. um, Coming to if you really want to up your Web3 understanding in a single go, I would recommend taking out time and reading a few books. That is like the highest ROI on time to get the fundamentals right. So one set of books is by Andreas M. Antonopoulos. I hope I am pronouncing that right. There are these three books: The Internet of Money, Volume One, Two, and Three, beautifully written in a very simple language, very easy to understand language, that will help you understand the world of blockchains and what we can do with it. If you don't want to buy those books, you can find the same stuff in multiple talks given by him. This is his YouTube channel. Go there and you can check out the videos. There's another book called Read Write Own by Chris Dixon. This is by far my favorite Web3 book, just because it covers the industry in multiple different ways. Like the industry has a um, economic aspect to it. It has a computers and technical aspect to it. Then there's a dynamics of how businesses work, internet businesses work, and there's an open source culture, and a lot of things are there. This industry is a mishmash of multiple things, and this is the only book that I have found that covers all of those things in an easy to understand and in a very structured manner. So this is a slightly heavier read than Internet of Money, but uh, it's also a slightly better read than Internet of Money, because by reading this book you'll actually get a top to bottom context of everything you need to know about the Web3 industry. There's a small summary of this book by the author himself. I'll link that in the description below. You'll find it there. Apart from that, there's this news website called Coindesk. You can get your daily news updates on everything crypto related here. That will help you form a general understanding of what's going on in the market. There's this platform called Coingecko. You can track different kind of cryptocurrencies on this platform. I generally use it to discover new projects. Like they have this category section where you can find projects via categories like layer one technology or IoT technology or AI technology. So sorry, I personally use it for that purpose. There's this platform called Messari. They publish research reports. Some are behind the paywall, some are free. So I would recommend, if you want to form a deeper understanding of a project or any industry vertical, try reading up stuff relevant to that on this research report portal on Messari. That will actually help you understand the data points that you need to think around to actually form an opinion on something. There's this Alchemy dashboard, and you can discover different kind of chains and different kind of applications on those chains, or in general in the infra layer or in the Web3 stack. I'll link all of these websites in the description as well. So you can use it to explore different kind of projects in Web3. DApp Radar is a similar website. You can explore different kind of projects. DefiLlama is specifically if you want to see the metrics in the DeFi space, and if you want to explore the DeFi projects, so you can use it for that. Magic Eden is an NFT marketplace. You can explore NFTs on multiple different chains using this website. And OpenSea is also an NFT marketplace. You can explore this. You can explore different kind of NFT collections on OpenSea as well. Coin Bureau is a very good YouTube channel, like uh, very down to earth, and no hype and that kind of stuff is there. So then content is very educational and informative. So this is one channel that you can look out. Whiteboard Crypto, this guy explains stuff very beautifully, so you can check out his videos. Finematics, especially if you want to get an understanding of how DeFi things work, there are some great videos on this channel. Coingecko, again, like very easy to understand, short explainers. You can get an explainer about any topic related to crypto or Web3 on their channel, so do check it out. And lastly, there's this Rekt News, which writes informative pieces on the hacks that are happening in the industry. So if you are interested in what kind of hacks are happening in the blockchain space and how are they happening, their dissection, you can read about that here. Yeah, those were all the resources. Feel free to explore the resources. It will take a lot of time. I would say if you are starting, like, uh, it would take roughly 2 to 3 months for you to actually get a basic understanding of the industry. Then you'll move into more complex and more nitty gritty of the stuff. So yeah, uh, mm, explore these websites, and general disclaimer as it is, like, avoid the scammers in the comment section, and you can drop your questions or suggest a topic. So I'll see you in the next one.